The regulator allows you to adjust the pressure of the compressed air to the proper setting for your air power tools. Common problems with the regulator are air leaking caused by failed O-rings, not being able to adjust the valve due to corrosion or debris, and accidental damage, often caused by something falling on it. Replacing the regulator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the pressure switch cover from the compressor. Next, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then remove the motor wires from the pressure switch. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove the strain relief from the housing. Now remove the breather line from the pressure switch. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the check valve. The motor and pump assembly is secured to the tank with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. With the bolts removed, now I can separate the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Next, I'll rotate the pressure switch and regulator assembly about 90 degrees so I can remove the regulator. Next, I'll remove the nipple, quick connect, and pressure gauge from the old regulator. Now I can install the new regulator. I'll need to reinstall the pressure gauge, nipple, and quick connect. I'll wrap some thread tape around the threads of each item so they don't leak. Now I can reinstall the regulator assembly. And now I can reinstall the motor and pump assembly onto the tank. I'll resecure the motor and pump with the screws. And I'll resecure the exhaust pipe. Next, I'll reinstall the motor wires. Put the cord clamp back onto the cord. And thread the wires through the pressure switch. And I'll connect the wires to the switch. And I'll connect the grounding wires. And I'll reconnect the exhaust pipe breather. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how you can replace the regulator on your air compressor.